So guys, in this video I'm gonna share you a complete new method of earning from Adsterra without any exchanges, and I will share the top level of earning method. It's my method. I'm sharing you per day 10,000 traffic secret. You try this, okay? So for do this, you must have the basic knowledge how actually SEO work non-technically. We will use publish 3-5 blog, but we will publish 10 blog per day with long tail keyword, and we will use SEO tools, and also our target will be more. This is less, but our target will be more. And in this video I'm going to share you how Google search console and how you can send traffic to your website from Google, not any exchange need. You already seen so many videos, but these videos are completely unique from others. There is no exchange, no forced traffic here. All is organic from social media. Like the first topic is, you must know which topic video you make, which topic post you make for your blog. The topic I have listed in this post, you can find this post from comment section. Just follow this instruction, that's it. So first topic I will choose earn money from home. You can choose this topic, okay? For getting click, your domain must a proper authorized content have, okay? So for doing that, you must have a good content. Now what I'm doing, I'm making a proper SEO optimized, okay, proper SEO optimized blog. This is my first thing. And after that, just you can copy this from here, or you can just write by on your own, like give me a block, okay. Now what is gonna happen is very simple. Now I just copy this text from here, not the whole, leave some things, just copy this text from here and paste it in the blog. In your blog you have to paste it, and don't forget to paste with SEO keyword. I already included those in the blog. And click on new post and paste it in here. Now copy the title from here, paste in here, and then you need a image. So to download the image, just go to the Google, search the topic. I hope you will find a good image from there, or you can use AI also. Like Grok is now doing good AI for image. You can use Grok Imagine. So I just chose one image and paste it in here by URL, then paste it in here, insert image, that's it. Now make it medium and then simply publish it. Click on confirm, and after that, when it's completed, you must have a Facebook page. Facebook page is mandatory. You must have a Facebook page with minimum 100 follower. Without, if you don't have any follower, just get some from like for like group. In like for like group you will get definitely some follower in for your page. So in Facebook page, just copy some text of your blog, not full blog, okay? Copy some text of your blog and paste it in your Facebook page and dot dot dot, okay? And then paste your link, copy link address, paste your link in here, Now this is ready. Don't do this anymore. Just in your page, everyday 10 post publish. This is a secret I am gonna share you. Now we need hashtag. Where you will get the hashtag? The hashtag you will get from ChatGPT. Just tell ChatGPT need some hashtag for this post. So ChatGPT will give you some hashtag from there. So copy this hashtag from here and paste in here. After that just publish it. You do not have to do anything more. After that just publish it. Okay. Now what we are gonna do is the second part. Every day you will post 10 in the Facebook page because it need for authority, a high domain of authority from Facebook. It's actually like a backlink, and Google will think that your website backlink have in Facebook. That means it's social site, and you must have YouTube. Okay, in YouTube, just search earn money online. Okay, and after that, when you search that, click on filter. Okay, and then last hour. So you will get very new post in here. So click on any post from here, and in comment section just paste your link here. Okay, so that's it. Actually not paste the hashtag, paste your uh, link. So paste your link. You must have a title. Paste it in here and add link. So just copy the link from here and paste it in here. Just comment section. Okay, now another make you can comment. It's working. Okay, so Facebook, YouTube done. Now we need another site which is very important, is Reddit. Same strategy we will follow for Reddit. So in Reddit, okay, just search for make money online and click on first hour. Okay, then click on the post and click on comment section, and you have to copy the title and link from here. So copy this title from here, paste it, then just comment on. That's it. Now say what's actually gonna happen. Your full ecosystem is ready. Like your domain will get traffic from 3 sites. But how Google recognize this? Google actually can recognize this very easily. You know, Google has own crawling system. Google already have own crawling system. So by using that system, you must index your site in Google console. Paste your site in the Google console, and first, if you don't have account, just sign up. So in Google console, paste it, and then you're ready. But if you don't find your account, just search request for index. So I am just testing it fast live if it is okay or not. If not, I will request indexing. So if it is not, so I index requested done. But if you are very new to Google Search Console, okay, if you are very new, click on the new domain section, like in here, add property, URL prefix. Okay, so your domain have like this link, copy this, paste it in here, continue, and Google will verify this very okay, done. Now everything is completed. So the method is, if I make a video on Google search, it will take 40 minutes or 50 minutes to complete all session, but the basic I already shared. So don't forget to make daily 10 posts and get social authority fast. Okay, if you don't do this, your organic way of growth for Adsterra will not grow. Actually, I didn't wanted to share this method because everybody will not do this. Only real worker, like who work for Adsterra, real task who do, he actually know the potential of this method. And I also use this method. So don't forget to use this method every day. 30 minutes have must have for this method. Thank you guys.